Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to notify MS Teams when a Stripe payment is captured. So here my objective is whenever any successful payment can be done into my Stripe, then that payment will captured and automatically one notification will be sent to my Microsoft team. For that, I am going to connect my Stripe to my Microsoft team by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of creating an automation in where whenever your user purchase anything from your store in Stripe, then automatically one notification which includes all the payment details will send to your Microsoft team channel. Let me give you a quick review about how this automation will work and how it will used in real time. So this is the product that I am going to purchase from my Stripe store, that is Natural Glow Refreshing Face Toner. Here it will ask me to enter the details, that is contact information, first name, last name and the payment method. So here I am entering the details. The email ID I write as pateam@pablitudes.com, number, the first name I'll give as test and the last name I'll give as user. After that, in the next, I am going to select the payment method. Here I am doing one test payment. Here I selected. In this address field, I am writing the address. Here I have write. Then I am clicking on this pay button. It is processing. Here you can see the test payment is done successfully. Now I'll show you my MS Team channel. See here I got the notification of the order that I have recently purchased from my store, including the customer name that I provide as test user, email ID, amount and the transaction ID. So if you want to do this amazing automation in where as soon as your customer will purchase anything from your Stripe store, then automatically one notification will be sent to your MS Team channel. So for learning this amazing automation, you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is a tool that helps you to connect different tasks and automate without coding. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly Community. So this is right over here is Pabbly Community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here and the people who are facing the problem similar like you or the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. As if you are an existing user, then you can click on the sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are doing an automation, so I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your workflows at one place, where you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consumed. Here in this folder section you can create multiple folders that I have already created before by the name of Pabbly Chart Flow or Connect. You can create the folders based on your requirement, while in this home section you can see the status of your workflow. As we are creating a new workflow, so I am going to click on this plus create workflow button. Here you can see it will provide you two options in where you have to select the workflow builder, that is new beta or the classic version. Here I am going with this. Then you can see it will ask us to provide the workflow name that I provide as notify MS Teams when a Stripe payment is captured. While in the select folder section, I am going to select the folder as Pabbly Connect that I have already created before. After that, I am going to click on this create button. Here you can see the workflow created successfully. Now, this is the most important step of creating any workflow, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happen. At first, you have to select the trigger application. This is the starting point of your workflow. So here I am selecting my trigger application as Stripe. Here I am searching the app. Here I have selected. After that, the app event I'll select as new charge. Then I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you one webhook URL that you have to copy from here. While you can see here, it will also provide you the step that how you can connect your Pabbly Connect account to your Stripe account. So now I am going to my Stripe account. So this is my Stripe account. Now I am going to explain you how you can connect your Stripe account to your Pabbly Connect. For that you have to go in this developer option. Here you have to go in this webhook option, in where you have to click on this plus side destination button. See, it will ask you to select the event that I select as your account. After that, the API version I select as latest. Then in this all event section, I am going to select charge succeed. That is clearly mentioned in the instruction C. So here I am going to select this. After that, you have to click on this continue button. Here it will ask you to select the destination type while providing you two, that is webhook endpoint or Amazon Event Bridge. Here I am going with webhook endpoint. After that, I am clicking on this continue button. Here it will ask you to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from here. Here I am going to paste this URL. Here I pasted. After that, I am going to click on this create destination button. Here you can see our webhook is added successfully. That means our Stripe account is successfully connected to our Pabbly Connect. After that, you can see it will searching for a webhook response. So for getting the response, I am going to make one payment. For that, I am again going to my Stripe account. Here I am going in this payment link and go in this natural refreshing face toner. Now I am copying this payment link from here. Here I am doing the test purchase. Now I am entering my details here to purchase this toner, in where the email ID I give as testuser@gmail.com. After that, I'll take as one test number. Then the first name I'll give as test and the last name I'll give as user. After that, I'm going to do one test payment. Then also writing one address. Here I have write it. After that, I'm going to click on this pay button. Here it is processing. See, our payment is done successfully. Now we will get back to our workflow. So we have got the positive response. That clearly means that our Pabbly Connect is successfully connected to our Stripe account. After this step, I am going to set one number formatter so that whenever my user have done payment, then the exact payment that my user have done will send to my Microsoft channel. For that, I am clicking on this plus option and taking the action step as number formatter. It is used for doing mathematical operation. Here I am selecting this. The app event I select as perform math operation. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here it will ask me to provide the number, in where I am going to map the amount. Mapping is the most important step because it makes data dynamic, as different users have different data and identities. So for storing each user's dynamic data, mapping is used. Here I am doing the mapping of the amount. Here I have used the number formatter because the payment amount captured from the Stripe is coming in the smallest unit, that is cents. We have done the payment of 550, but here it will showing that 55,000. So to make a proper readable amount, I am going to do the operation here, that is divide. So for doing this operation, after selecting the amount, I am going to enter one comma, after that 100. Then the operation I already choose as divide. After that, I am going to click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see we have received the response and the actual value of the product, that is 550. Now in the next step, I am going to add my MS Team channel. For that, I am again clicking on this plus option and search the app as Microsoft Teams. Here I have selected the app. After that, the app event I select as send message in a channel. Then I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection or select existing connection. If you don't have any existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and connect with the Microsoft Teams. As I have already an existing connection, so I am going with this. After that, I am clicking on the save button. Here you can see the connection saved successfully. Now you have to select the team that I select as all team members. Then it will automatically select the channel that I have already created in my Microsoft account by the name of Stripe New Payment Details. Here I'll show you, see. So this is my channel that I have created. Now we will get back to our flow. After that, in this message field, you have to enter the message in HTML format. So here I am writing the message. Here I wrote my message in the HTML format. Now I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have got in my previous step, that is Stripe. Now at first I am going to do the mapping of the customer name. So I am clicking here and searching the name. See, here I have done the mapping of the name, that is test user. After that, the email, then the amount, In the amount case, I am going to do the mapping of the response that we have generated by number formatter. So here I am selecting the exact amount of the product. After that, in this transaction ID, I am going to map the data from the Stripe. Here I have selected, and now our mapping is successfully done. You can also create a HTML format content by clicking on this. After that, I am going to click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see we have got the positive response. Now we will check our Microsoft Teams channel. Here you can see we have successfully got all the details that we have mapped while doing the automation. That means our automation is working correctly. Now with the help of this automation, as soon as whenever your user will done any of the payment from your online Stripe store, then automatically the payment details will be added into your MS Teams channel. It is only possible with the help of automation that we have done with the help of Pabbly Connect. You can also use this automation for your several type of users. I also provide the link of this automation in the description box. You can check out. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like the video, then give it the thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.